If you are wondering if we have AI features available on the Xiaomi 15T, then the answer is yes, we have certain AI features, and in order to find them, most of the time we just have to go to the Xiaomi Hyper AI option in settings. Of course, we can find some standard Google AI features, such as the Gemini and Circle to Search. You should be able to easily use them on this phone. But besides that, we have some original Xiaomi AI features. And over here, if we go to the AI app boost, over here we can find pretty much the whole list of these tools, like the AI writing over here. We also have AI dynamic wallpapers. There is also the creativity assistant, where we can find the image enhancement, image expansion, erase pro, and AI film. Speech recognition, which is accessible in the voice recorder app, where we can create a transcription, distinguish speakers, summarize the content, and translate the content. You can also view the individual speaker's content. There is also the AI translate conversation, so you can easily translate the conversation from one language to another for real-life conversations. The interpreter, which is used for calls, and AI subtitles to generate subtitles. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.